welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for December 11th, 2025. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding new stocks or ETFs that I research. My intentions with these podcasts are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I'm only trying to help us both make a buck. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own, and they're just that, opinions. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. The stock I'm going to feature today is more of an unusual one for me because I'm not a big Warren Buffett fan. But this is the VistaShares Target 15 Berkshire Select Income ETF. Symbol is OMAH. It's an ETF, obviously, with assets of about $650 million. Pretty high expense ratio on this one, almost a 1%. PE ratio similar to Berkshire. The dividend is 11.38%. Pays monthly. Except the inception date was March 5th of 2025. You know, the reason that, people really like Warren Buffett and what he's done with Berkshire and creating wealth in these days, and that's why I wanted to share this. Basically, this OMAH is an exchange-traded fund, invests in large cap equity similar to Buffett's. Plus, this one also has Berkshire B in it. Actually, 11% of it is Berkshire B. And then it uses covered call strategies again to pull income from these positions. And as you can see in the second slide that I've got here, top 10 holdings, Berkshire B is the most, and it's got some large cap companies that it invests in, and then they sell covered calls against it. Interesting thing, like I said, I'm not a big Warren Buffett fan, but if you're looking for income and you like the way Buffett invests, looks like he's starting to deploy some of his capital now too. The $350 billion that they had squirreled away into investments now. So it might be a little bit of a plus for stocks from what I'm seeing, because he seems to be losing his grip on that cash position. The next slide I've got kind of reiterates what I was talking about before, that this VistaShares OMAH has a high monthly income generation. They have a diversified large cap equity portfolio, and then they sell covered calls against it. And of course, it's an actively managed fund here. It looks like it's a pretty high distribution rate. I said 11%. This one says 15%. I think it's closer to 11, but it's been consistent in 6 or so months that it has been in existence and publicly traded. The next slide I've got here is the dividends themselves that they paid out thus far. And it's gone anywhere from, I don't know, it looks like 25 cents to about 23.3. It's going to pay monthly. It's going to pay about 1% per month, and you're going to get the advantage of large cap stocks in this portfolio, as well as the Berkshire B stocks. And lastly, to keep this short and sweet for this week's JC Stocks and Markets podcast show here, you can see I've got the chart here. It's a 3-month chart. The boxes on the right side kind of show where I would probably, if I was going to buy into this, that I would go. I'd be somewhere in the neighborhood of $18.75 to $19. It looks like it's kind of on its way up, but near the top of the Williams R charts, I'd buy it more when it's closer to minus 80 there. And the same with the stochastics. I'd buy it more when it's back in 20. So, I think you could probably get, 25 or 30 cents cheaper if you wanted to just establish a position, because it does pay about 25 cents a month. Might be a worthwhile thing to invest in now if you like Berkshire Hathaway, that is. I'm not a big fan, but and I didn't go into some heavy detail in this, but take a look at it. Do your due diligence. The VistaShares has a whole lot of information on the site, including the prospectus. I'd review it, and if you like it, good. If not, hope you get something out of it. Hopefully, it stimulates maybe some different ideas in you. With this, I'd like to say thank you for listening to JC Stocks and Markets podcast. The intro and outro song is a song called She's the One. I wrote the song, has a lot of meaning to me, and my bandmates made the magic happen. With that, happy investing, and we'll see you next time.
I know I'm not that beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving, purely physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. There were a few before you, but I really